What is up, YouTube? B Stamper BMX here. I've got a bike check and a parts for sale. We'll start with the parts. I will trade any of these parts or my back rim for a new back rim. I need a back rim. But these are my forks. They're Odyssey Pro Dirt forks. Never been used. I got them in the mail. There's a few chips on it right there, but not much. Yeah, they're decent. They're not too heavy. I got these Alienation Chicago bars, a little scratched up. They were used a while. 8.5 rise, and then I've got a felt stem. That's pretty light. I've got these Eastern cranks with these pedals. I can't get the pedals off, so those come with it. That's primer, and it's chipped up. But if you know someone that can paint pretty good, them good cranks. I have all the bolts, all the hard wheel wear. I got my Odyssey lumberjack seat, I believe it is. Nice seat. I've got Eastern forks with the top bolt. Yeah, Eastern forks. 14mm dropouts at the bottom. Cutouts. They're a light pair of forks. We got an Eastern front rim, 14mm, with an Odyssey tire on it. And then I've got some bearings up there, a bunch of bike frames. So let me know what you want. But I'm in desperate of a new back rim. I'm just trying to get a different colored one so I can match up. I'm just doing a different color thing. And then my forks up there, they're Colony stock. I would like to trade for a colored pair that are factory painted. And yeah, I'll start with my bike check from the top. Starting at the top, I got 8.5 rise Rant bars with lime green ODI long neck, super soft grips. Real good. Rant headset, Subrosa hold tight stem, stock Colony forks, awesome forks, super light. They I think they're cutouts all the way down. You can't see because my stem. But awesome forks, super light. But I want a colored pair, like red or something, factory. My front rim's an Alex with laced to a Colony hub, fly front wheel. My frame is a 2008 Colony Invidor frame. Awesome frame, had it for a while, love it. Seat is an Animal Crush pivotal with an animal purple seat post. Sprocket is a Colony. Cranks are stolen SIC. Pedals are just two random pedals. Both Odyssey though. Regular KMC chain. Back rim is an Eastern, laced to an Eastern hub. Need to get rid of it. Yeah, and my bottom bracket shadow. Can't see, but shadow. My seat post integrated. Awesome bike. But these bike parts I'd like to get rid of. Just comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me what you trade me for my back rim, or I just need a new one and a new pair of forks. Let me know.